Oh, look at this. Here's another EVI. This time in South Dakota. Let's see what this one's about this time.
The civil authorities have issued an immediate evacuation for Unit D, beginning at 4:25 p.m. Friday, February 28 and ending at 4:25 p.m. Saturday, March 1st. Wildfire warning, prepare to evacuate. Wildfire warning, please be alert for wildfire and prepare to evacuate.
Well, how about that? That's the second one. There was one in Oklahoma earlier, and now this. I think it's all due to the wildfires that are going on. I wouldn't be surprised there's any more popping up.